Hi, it's Gina with your Note of the Week. This week's note is about record counts, or how to figure out how many SKUs or customer records or unposted documents you have without running a report. I'm going to start in inventory and items. And in inventory items, or even in customers, you can be in the single page view, or you can be in the table view. I'm just going to stay in my single page view. So simply right click on the toolbar, you'll get a flyout, go down to table information, and look, I have 101 SKUs in my inventory. I can even refine this by figuring out how many items I have in a certain category. So I'm just going to use my filter, and I'm going to search for the category golf, so I can see how many SKUs are in the golf category. I'll click OK. I'll go back to the title bar, right click, table information, and you can see out of the 101 SKUs that I own, 42 belong to golf. This technique works everywhere in Counterpoint. So let me demonstrate how it works in customers. I'll go to customers and customers, and I'll just call up a customer. And again, I can be in the single page view or the table view. I'm going to right click on the title bar, and I'm going to go down to table information and 18 customers. Another thing you can do with this flyout, which is also pretty cool, is you can figure out the last time a record was edited. So again, right click on the title bar, either in customers or items, go to last maintenance information, and you'll get a pop-up that'll tell you the last time the record was modified and who modified the record. You can also use this technique to figure out how many unposted documents you have, like for example, a purchase request. So if I go to purchasing, purchase request, enter, and I right click on the title bar and I go to table information, I can see that I have 4 unposted purchase requests, all without running a report. So that's your Note of the Week. I hope it was helpful, and I'll talk with you again next week. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com, and on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.